Welcome back to Transform Academy, your go-to place for beauty tips, career inspiration, and everything makeup and lashes. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a certified makeup artist or lash extension technician, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into how you can kickstart your career in makeup artistry and lash extensions in 2024. Becoming a professional in the beauty industry is more than just following trends. It's about mastering techniques and building a rewarding career. Before we continue, if you are new to our channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, check the description section and enroll in our makeup and lash extension course using the promo code for a 50% discount. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to learn the art of makeup and lash extensions, highlighting all the tools, tips, and safety protocols you need to succeed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start, learn, and thrive in the makeup and lash extension industry. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your skill set, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and confidence to transform your passion into a lucrative business. This video is for anyone who loves makeup, is fascinated by beauty trends, or wants to start their own business as a makeup and lash extension technician. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast, cosmetology student, or an entrepreneur looking for a new venture, this guide has something for everyone. Makeup is more than just cosmetics. It's an art form that enhances facial features and expresses creativity. Lash extensions, on the other hand, are semi-permanent fibers that are applied to your natural eyelashes to make them look fuller and longer. Both makeup and lash extensions require precision, creativity, and skill to achieve the best results. Makeup can be divided into various categories, including foundation, liquid, powder, or cream, used to create an even complexion. Eyeshadow, applied to the eyelids to create various effects like smoky, natural, or glam. Eyeliner, defines and shapes the eyes. Blush and bronzer, adds warmth and color to the face. Lipsticks and gloss, enhances the lips with color and shine. Highlighter and contour sculpt and add dimension to the face. There are different types of lash extensions. Classic lashes, a 1-to-1 ratio of extensions to natural lashes, offering a natural look. Volume lashes, multiple lightweight extensions applied to each natural lash, creating a fuller look. Hybrid lashes, a mix of both classic and volume lashes, giving a balance of natural and voluminous lashes. Mega volume lashes, a more dramatic look with the densest lash fans. When it comes to applying makeup, precision and technique matter. Here's a quick breakdown of the process. Foundation application. Use a makeup sponge or brush for a flawless base. Eyeshadow application. A blending brush is key for seamless transitions between colors. Eyeliner application. For perfect lines, use a steady hand and a gel or liquid eyeliner. Blending and contouring. Use a contour stick or powder and a blending brush to enhance the natural shape of your face. Setting spray. Always finish off your makeup with a setting spray to make it long-lasting. Applying lash extensions is an intricate process that requires focus and precision. The steps include preparation. Cleanse the natural lashes to remove any oils. Isolation. Use lash tweezers to isolate one natural lash at a time. Application. Dip the extension into adhesive and carefully place it onto the natural lash, ensuring it's properly aligned. Curing. Allow the adhesive to dry fully. Final checks. Comb through the lashes to ensure everything is perfect. Before you get started, it's crucial to meet all legal and safety requirements. Certification. Ensure you're certified by a reputable institution like Transform Academy, which offers professional courses in makeup and lash extension techniques. State regulations. Check your local state regulations and licensing requirements. Sanitation. Always prioritize hygiene. Sterilize your tools and follow safety protocols to prevent infections. Client consent. Have your client sign a consent form, especially for lash extensions, to inform them of potential risks. Learning these skills not only empowers you creatively, but also opens the door to endless opportunities in the beauty industry. Whether it's working freelance in a salon or owning your own business, makeup and lash extensions can offer a rewarding and profitable career. Here are some tips on how to turn your skills into a thriving business. Create a unique brand that reflects your style and services. Use social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to showcase your work. Build a portfolio with before and after pictures to attract new clients. Offer value-driven packages, discounts for repeat clients, or loyalty programs to retain your customer base. Becoming a makeup artist and lash extension technician in 2024 is an exciting career opportunity. With the right skills, tools, and marketing strategies, you can transform your passion into a successful business. If you're ready to take your skills to the next level, click the link in the description and enroll in Transform Academy's professional certificate in makeup and lash extensions using the promo code for a 50% discount. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with anyone interested in the beauty industry, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. See you in the next video.